Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, as well as turn on the post notification bell for my channel also down below to be notified of all of my future uploads. So today's video is going to be a hair coloring tutorial on this wig that I was sent from sunlighthair.com. I'll have all of the information down below in the description box, so make sure you check that box out. So we're going to start off by bleaching this wig. I am going to be using BW2 powder lightener with a 20 volume cream developer. I'm going to pour the developer into a mixing bowl, and then I'm going to add a few scoops of that powder lightener and then mix it really well. Once mixed, I am going to apply it in sections to the wig and then leave it on for about 45 minutes. Shampoo it with a neutralizing shampoo, and then I am going to be ready for the next step. I was pleasantly surprised at the level of lift after just bleaching this hair one time. As you can see, it did lift to a really high level. Just leaving the bleach on for 45 minutes, so that is a plus with this hair because it does react well to bleach. Next, I'm going to balayage this hair. So I am basically going to lighten this hair again, but in certain sections. I'm going to be using the bricklaying method to apply the balayage lightener to the wig in small sections, and that's basically going to give it dimension, highlights, and lowlights within this wig. This step, I am using my Pravana balayage lightener as well as my Pravana high lift balayage activator as well. It's completely up to you on deciding how long you want to leave this balayage lightener on for. If I leave it on for a long period of time, then the hair would obviously get brighter and the lift would be higher, so you will notice more of a multi-faceted hair color. If I leave it on for not as long, then the hair color won't be as bright and lift as light of a color. So it all depends on the final overall result that you want to have. But after I am done, I'm going to rinse it out, shampoo it, and then I will be finished with all of my bleach steps and I'll be ready to dye this hair. So this balayage lightener does actually create a shell, a hard shell and barrier around each section that you are putting this product on. So I did leave the balayage lightener on for about 25 minutes, and then I'm just going to go in and crack some of those shells just to see the level of lift and to see if I want to rinse it out yet or leave it on for longer. So after washing and conditioning this hair, I do notice that the frontal portion of this wig is brighter in color and it is a little bit orange, which isn't an issue, but I do not really want to have brighter roots. I want darker roots. So I'm going to have to go ahead and use a toner and tone that to be darker. So once I put the dye on top of it, the roots will be dark and the hair will be brighter than the roots. If I choose not to do that, then the roots will be brighter than the rest of the hair. So the toner that I will be using to darken the roots is this Color Lush 6in English Toffee color by Pravana, and I will be activating that with the Color Lush activator also by Pravana. Anywhere that this toner is placed on the hair will darken it, so I'm just going to take my time and go through the frontal portion of this wig in small sections, and I'm basically just going to coat that product on the roots of this hair only. Okay, so now that we have this multifaceted wig that we worked so hard to bleach, it's time to apply the dye to this wig. I will be using 3 tubes of Copper Brown by Adore number 76, as well as 1 tube of Paprika by Adore number 72. I'm going to empty the entire contents of the 3 bottles of Copper Brown into a mixing bowl, and then I'm just using half of the bottle of Paprika, and I am going to mix those colors together in the mixing bowl, and then take small sections of this wig and just fully saturate and coat that dye onto each section that I'm working with. Make sure that you are taking your time with this step and make sure that the entire wig is coated with this hair dye. So here she is after being washed and deep conditioned. I love the color, I love how it came out, and I love the fact that the dark roots do add like an everyday type of look to it. I feel like if I did not have dark roots, it wouldn't really be an everyday type of wig, but now that the dark roots are there, not only does it blend in with my hair in the front if I wanted to leave some of my edges out, but it does give it more of an everyday type of look. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this wig, and then I'm going to do some loose wand curls on it, and then I'll show you how the final look came out. And here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Beige. I'll have all of the information down below in the description box, so make sure you check that box out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell if you have not already. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.